Alright, y'all. Happy Monday. This morning I'm coming in with some affordable self-care Dollar Tree nail hacks. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all what I use to achieve the look and then also make them last as well. So y'all just stay tuned. Alright, so I got the nails already assembled, so I'm gonna be off camera doing this to show y'all. But the nails that I got these at the Dollar Tree. I think a lot of people are discouraged because it's the Dollar Tree, and then they think that the Dollar Tree does not have any type of design nails. But if you are visiting there, are you in there, just run in there and look if you are a press-on girly. I started out the earlier part of the year, maybe last year, being a press-on girly, and then I went ahead and went back to the nail salon. So I took the nails off the set that I did have on because it was time to remove them, and I went ahead and put them on for the event yesterday. So, and they are these butterfly press-on nails, and they come with 12 pieces. The glue is not included, but the design is absolutely amazing, and y'all know I love butterflies. So yeah, so what you're gonna need to achieve this look, you're gonna need 5 products including the nails. I use the McArt nail glue. It's a brush on nail glue, and this right here is tea. It actually once you put the nail on, it dries pretty quick. I do highly recommend this if you are on a press-on journey and you want your nails to last for, I know some people say they can go 2 weeks. Now I really don't do a whole lot with my hands. I do keep them in water, when I'm doing the dishes or whatever. But if you are looking for something that is gonna give you the long-lasting adhesive that you need when you are wearing press-ons, I highly recommend this glue. So y'all tap into this. I will link it below, so just in case you are interested in purchasing this, it will be available. So the next thing I highly recommend if you are wearing press-on nails would be the Beat Art Box Nails Builder Gel. This is tea. It's very thick, and y'all see you put this on first. There's the one. It does instruct you how to achieve the look that you're trying to get, and the Builder Gel helps with the thickness of the nails once it is dry. Yeah, so this comes as number 1, and then the Beat Art Box Nails top coat comes as number 2, and then for me, I do my Builder Gel twice so that I can help kind of, like I said, make the nails a little bit thicker than they come, because they're not customized press-ons. They're customized, from the vendor who the Dollar Tree use, but I'm saying like ones that you can buy for Etsy and people that make them and sell them. It's just the top coat and the Builder Gel will make them a little bit more thicker. I do use the Builder Gel twice, and then I do the top coat once. So you're gonna need the top coat, and then also a good nail file, because I do, once everything is dry, I take and then I do just across the tips of the nail to give it a little bit more precision. I did miss one step, and then also you're gonna need a UV light as well. So that's the UV light. I've been having this for some time, and yeah, it does look a little raggedy, but it still works. But if you do get that Beat Art Box kit, it does come with one in the kit. So I have never used this. I always just use the one that I can put my whole hand up under. But if you do buy that Builder Gel and the top coat, it does come with both of those, so keep that in mind. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one back on, honey. I was doing something this morning and went down too far and it flipped straight off, and I was not happy about that. But we're gonna go ahead and put it back on. And I probably should have tried to get some of that glue off, but I'm just gonna, if y'all could see that, brush it on her and take it. I usually hold it down maybe about 20 seconds. Yep, so we're back in business. Another thing I do recommend is if y'all are buying these nails from the Dollar Tree, if they have 2 packs of the design that you like, I highly suggest to get 2 packs, because these nails, my nails on each hand are not the same, so they tend to, my fingers are not the same size. I said they're not the same. They're not the same size, so they may, if you may have the same problem as me, your sizes might be a little bit different. So I would probably recommend getting 2 packs, and I probably should have did this with y'all from step 1, but we were in a place where we would get ready to leave and I had to put something on my hands. So the next time, I promise y'all I will put y'all in so that y'all can see the whole effect of applying the press-ons. So this is coat 1. This one is already done. As y'all can see, it's really shiny. It looks good. The thickness, you really can't tell, but they are a lot thicker than what they was when I took them out of the pack. Just put it like that. So, putting them under the light for 60 seconds, and then I'll do a second coat once that is dry. So y'all hold the line. Alright, so we're back for our 60 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and start with the second coat. This is a builder gel. This stuff is extremely thick. I do too, but I'm sure there is somebody out there that recommends more than 2. And then I guess, you know, as long as it's not hurting anything, I guess you could put how many other coats you want on, depending how thick you want your nails to be. But 2 is good for me because they don't have to be super thick, but not press on out of the box thick. I don't want them to look like that, because you do want them to give the illusion like they are acrylics. Alright, going back in for 60 seconds. Alright y'all, so our coat of the builder gel is complete. Now we're gonna go in with the top coat. Alright, so we almost hit the last step, y'all. Back under the light for 60 more seconds after the top coat. Alright, so we have done our builder gel 2 times. We have done our top coat 1 time. We have done our glue. We have fouled. We have the nails on. So the next step, last but not least, will be to your discretion if you would like to put cuticle oil on, and we're done. Cuticle oil. And they are done.
I'm taking my freedom, pulling it off the shelf, putting it on my chain, wearing it round my neck. I'm taking my freedom, putting it in my car, wherever I choose to go, it will take me far. I'm living my life like it's golden.
I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.
Moving all day.